content with revamping its massively successful Forerunner line. Garmin is also bringing out the Enduro 2, which is designed to usurp the original Enduro as one of the best Garmin watches, period, especially for ultra runners and other high-performing endurance athletes. It's a brute of a watch with an upgrade to the original's already impressive battery life being the headline, along with the addition of a touchscreen, something noticeably lacking in the original Enduro. Topographical maps have also been added, an essential feature for a serious adventure watch, alongside a host of other features. There's even memory space for internal music, the lack of which was one of the original's biggest drawbacks. In addition to having a stonking performance watch, you will no longer have to either bring your phone with you or have to otherwise amuse yourself on long trips. The Garmin Enduro 2 available now from priced at $1,099 in the US. We will update this hands-on with UK and Australia prices as we get them. The Garmin Enduro 2 shares a lot of its design ethos with its older sibling, the original Enduro. The watch case and bezel are built of tough titanium with a power sapphire glass lens offering battery lengthening solar charging capabilities, just as the last one did. The classic 5-button Garmin structure is here, with the start or stop, back or left, up or down, and light buttons joined by the addition of a touchscreen. Like the Forerunner 955 Solar, you have the option of using either the touchscreen or buttons to navigate around the watch. Initially, this feels a bit superfluous, but it's nice to have options. The Enduro 2 comes with two options for straps: the Velcro Ultrafit strap, designed specially for endurance exercise, and the thicker silicone strap for everyday wear. They are easy to swap over, but the huge 1.4-inch face and thick body of the watch combined with the meaty silicone straps looks borderline ludicrous in social environments. This is Ultranian look tool, and you won't be able to move seamlessly from runs to restaurants without attracting a few odd looks. Fittingly, the Enduro 2 feels satisfyingly hefty in the hand, with its premium construction and engineering evident in handling. This is a tank, not a high-performance supercar of a watch. Instead of Michael Keaton's Batmobile, think of Christian Bale's. Of course, they should suit its target audience absolutely fine, the people buying the Enduro 2, or at least getting the most use out of it. It will be ultra runners, distance cyclists, and other high-performing endurance athletes. If you are interested in having an all-purpose watch for everyday use, you would get something slimmer, sleeker, or probably cheaper like an Apple Watch. The design of the watch OS and Garmin Connect app will be familiar to most exciting Garmin users. If you have ever used one of the brand's other performance watches, there's been no reinventing the wheel here. Holding the down button to access the widget menu from your watch face brings up the usual customizable menu and quick access to everything from your previous activities to your body battery scoring to your built-in compass and barometer. Strangely, there's no option to add training readiness, one of the standout features of the new Forerunner and now Fenix range of watches, which tracks your body's recovery after long runs. We can only assume it's coming down the pipeline in a new firmware update. We'd be very disappointed if it never lands on the Enduro 2. Admit it, this is what you are here for. The Garmin Enduro had one of the best battery lives on the market, and the Enduro 2 has set out to beat it. With up to 46 days in Smartwatch mode and a massive 150 hours in GPS mode, you could run for a whole weekend and never need to turn this thing off. The battery is supported by enhanced solar charging and SAT IQ, a new piece of technology that will automatically detect what kind of GPS mode is best for conserving battery life without losing your navigation. In the middle of the wilderness or up a hill, you will be in a different GPS mode to a short run in a busy city, and it's all wearing away in the background. It's going to be extremely difficult to test the battery to its limit over the next few weeks unless the watch drastically and suddenly fails to live up to our expectations. We'll charge it up to full, and in 21 days we will aim to keep you posted on how the GPS and torch drains the battery and impacts that reading. We have only had the opportunity to have it in our wrist for a weekend, and it's not yet shown up on Garmin Connect as an option to pair with our phones. So we have not really tested any of the Enduro 2's features yet.